Hello guys, my name is Danielle and tonight I 5 years old. Today guys, makikinig kayo kay teacher itong gagawa niyo sa school. Kay wawales, colors, tapos makikinig kay teacher. Tapos shapes, tapos colors. Tapos makinig kay teacher. Tapos makinig kayo kay teacher kay teacher. Tapos ABCD. Tapos makikinig kayo tapos names. Then tapos ibig, tapos Papa Jesus, tapos hunakay kayo. Yan yun sa school. Bye-bye po. O makikinig kayo sa school. Bye! Bye! School together. Bye, teacher! Bye!